Okay, we just went on Alien Swirling Saucers.
So it was fun, but jerky. That is like my takeaway on that, I think.
Yes, I really enjoyed it. My daughter hated it, but she doesn't like teacups or anything like that.
Yes.
So.
My daughter was smiling the whole time, so I think she enjoyed it, but I think it was a little tame for me. Like, I don't need to go on it again unless I'm going with her.
Tame for you?
A little tame.
Okay.
So, but I think it's good for if you don't really like super scary whatever, or you like aliens or the little aliens, little green aliens.
I would go on it again if I would not use a fast pass on it again.
No, but I wouldn't wait 25 minutes either, so it would have to be a walk-on.
No, I guess
for me,
view 25 minutes a little different.
I guess, because nope, I'd have to walk. All right. Well, so that's our impression of saucers and us being really hot, and it's we're melting.